In this video, we will show you how to curve text in Canva. To curve text in Canva, it's very easy. First in here, let's create new design. For example, I will create logo. And after you create the logo presentation or another design, you can just add the text first. Okay, I will click add text, you can see here. And for example, I choose heading and type the text you want to make it curve. Okay, for example, I'm using our channel name. And in here, let's see, to curve text in Canva, you need to click this effects menu. Just click this. Then you need to scroll down. In here, you will see there is curve text. Okay. After that, you can see the curve text is look like this. To change the curve, you can scroll down again. And there is curve adjustment here. If you can slide like this, you can see there. The curve text will change based on this value. Okay, so make sure you have the value that's suitable with you. Also, you can using this to rotate the text. You can see there. You can rotate the text with this. To make the value positive or negative here, you can see it's look different. When negative, it's the curve above. When you have the positive value, the curve is going down like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to curve text in Canva. It's very easy, and make sure you have the effects and select shape. Okay, after that you will see the curve shape here. Then you can adjust the value by sliding this into the positive or negative values. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.